You've done a great job prepping the roof deck and protecting the valleys with flashing. Now we're ready to start thinking about field shingles. To make sure the new roof will perform its best, we recommend installing IKO Performax integrated roofing accessories along with the IKO shingles. Being that the perimeter is one of the most vulnerable areas of the roof starters are a vital component of this multi-layered system. No matter which IKO shingle has been chosen, the starter course must begin at the eave edge of the roof. We recommend IKO Leading Edge Plus starter strip. IKO Leading Edge Plus is factory pre-cut to size and perforated lengthwise so you can easily separate into two shingles. Just fold the strip flat at the perforation to get two separate strips or shingles. Take one of the separated shingles and remove about 20 inches. Install the shingle on the lower left corner of the roof deck, granule side up, with the factory-installed sealant adjacent to the eaves. The shingle should overhang the rake edge and eaves by 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch. Fasten the roof starter shingle to the roof deck with nails located 3 to 4 inches from the eave edge and 1 inch from each end. Take the second piece of the shingle starter strip that you just cut and rotate it so it aligns vertically up the rake edge, with its factory-installed sealant adjacent to the outer edge of the roof. The idea is to lay it so it takes the shape of a capital L. This shingle should butt against the top edge of the eave starter strip and overhang the rake edge by 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch. Fasten the starter shingle to the roof deck with fasteners located 3 to 4 inches from the rake edge and 1 inch in from each end. Repeat these steps to the right lower corner of the roof deck. Apply full-length IKO Leading Edge Plus shingles to the remaining eave and rake edges of the roof deck. Install the shingles granular side up with the factory-applied sealant adjacent to the outer roof edge. For all shingles, except Armor Shake, be sure to lay the first course of filled shingles flush with the edges of the Fasten Leading Edge Plus. That way, the sealant will adhere to the first course of filled shingles and help keep them from lifting up in high winds. For detailed installation instructions, watch the video we've created specifically for your chosen shingle style.